Okay, this is the last example in angles of triangles. Okay, we're looking at a triangle here, and we're wanting to find out this outside angle here, h. Okay, um, so if we're looking at this, these two dashes mean that these two lines are the same length. Okay, so these two sides of the triangle are the same length. Well, that means that this angle and this angle are the same. Okay, so if these two angles are the same, okay, we'll label them x and x. Okay, that means that 2x plus 110 degrees equals to h. Okay, sorry, equals to, not h, but 180 degrees. 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Okay, and now, well, that means that 2x is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees, which is 70 degrees. And that means that if I divide by 2 and divide by 2, then x is equal to 35 degrees. Okay, that's x. Okay, but I want to find out what h is over here. So remember from our previous example that this angle here and the 110 degrees has to add up to what h is. Okay, and so x plus 110 degrees has to equal to the outside angle there, h. So x was 35, so 35 degrees plus 110 degrees equals to h, and that's simply 145. 145 degrees equals to h. Okay, and you can also check it this way. This angle was 35 degrees here. Okay, well that means that 35 plus h has to equal 180. 35 degrees plus h, because here's a straight line and I cut it, right? And the straight line has an angle of 180 degrees, so I cut it. This angle is 35, so 35 plus h has to equal 180 degrees. So h would be equal to 180 degrees minus 35 degrees, and h equals to, well, 180 minus 35, well, that's 145 degrees. Okay? H equals 145 degrees. Two separate ways of finding it. Okay, great. And that ends our examples on angles and triangles. Thanks.